Number 20. Signature spices and marinades. Everyone loves a good meal, but not everyone has time to experiment in the kitchen. That's where signature spices and marinades come in. Simple, flavorful, and highly profitable. Step 1. Create your unique flavor. Maybe it's a spicy barbecue rub, a savory herb blend, or a tangy marinade that transforms ordinary dishes into something unforgettable. Test your recipes with friends and family, tweak until it's just right, and find that signature taste people can't get anywhere else. Step 2. Package and brand it. Even small jars with neat labels and a clear, catchy name make a huge difference. Clean packaging builds trust and makes your product feel professional. Take nice photos and showcase your spice blends on Instagram, TikTok, and local food groups. Step 3. Start selling. Reach out to local restaurants, food markets, or sell directly to customers via social media. Offer sample packs, recipe ideas, or bundle deals. People love tasting before committing. Pricing depends on size and complexity, but a single jar can sell for $5 to $20, and a few dozen customers quickly add up to steady income. Here's the growth trick. Turn it into a subscription or gift packs. Monthly deliveries of your signature blends, or festive packs for holidays, create recurring income and loyal customers. One happy chef or foodie can refer 5 more, and suddenly your spices aren't just products, they're a brand people recognize and trust. So, if you love flavors, creativity, and turning meals into experiences, creating signature spices and marinades is a tasty, scalable, and profitable food business for 2026. So if this hustle sounds like your kind of start, don't stop here. There are 19 more just like it, each one packed with fresh, real-world money ideas. Check out the full video, 20 side hustles to start in 2026, right here on the channel. You'll find the one that fits your lifestyle, your skills, and your future. Comment if this hustle resonates with you or the challenges you are facing. Like, share, and subscribe for more business content.